This is the story how a girl from Delhi went on her first trip to northeast of India, that is Meghalaya, and how she fell in love with the people, the culture, the food, the landscapes. So come with me all the way up. And all the way down. As I reveal to how she climbed, the views that she saw, beautiful places, beautiful sights, beautiful rivers, welcome to my journey. So welcome back to my channel. This is Nishi and today I have started my first trip of 2020 and this is my first time I'm going to Northeast. अभी थोड़ा भागते भागते एयरपोर्ट पहुँचे हैं क्योंकि फ्लाइट निकलने वाली थी. I'm in flight and it has just started. 6:25 it is in the early morning and शायद हमें सनराइज भी देखने को मिलेगा and I'm very hungry. Let's see. I'm just waiting that they will give me something to eat. एशिया की उड़ानों में अब आप क्रेडिट कार्ड और डेबिट कार्ड से खरीदारी कर सकते हैं. So finally, गुवाहाटी एयरपोर्ट से निकलने के बाद मेरा नेक्स्ट चैलेंज था वहाँ से शिलोंग पहुँचने का बेस्ट वे ढूंढना. So guys, we have now reached on Guwahati airport and यहाँ से भी पता किया हमने तो बस जाती है जो 9:30 बजे सुबह चलती है एंड वो आपको पल्टन बाजार उतारेगी एंड वहाँ से फिर आपको शेयर ले सकते हैं. 300 रुपीज़ पर पर्सन चार्ज करता है टू रीच शिलोंग, दैट इज़ पुलिस बाजार. एंड यहाँ से आप टैक्सी भी शेयर कर सकते हैं. तो मैंने अभी प्राइस पूछा था, पहले 500 था बट ये बोल रहे हैं कि कुछ चार्जेस इंक्रीज़ हो गए हैं. सो पर पर्सन यू हैव टू गिव नाउ 600 रुपीज़ टू रीच शिलोंग पुलिस बाजार फ्रॉम हियर एयरपोर्ट. एंड अभी 10 मिनट हो गए हैं, एक और बंदे का वेट कर रहे हैं, वो आए शेयर कर ले ताकि हमें पैसे थोड़े कम देने पड़े. अब कितना टाइम और लग जाएगा? 1.5 घंटा? 1.5 घंटा लगेगा. halfway from Assam from Guwahati. गुवाहाटी से शिलोंग जाते हुए ही मैं पहुंची मेरे सबसे अमेजिंग जगह पे, दैट इज़ उमियाम लेक. Hi guys, so this is उमियाम लेक एंड ये लेक जो है उमियाम रिवर पे एक्चुअली डैम की वजह से डैम बनाया गया था एंड उसकी वजह से ये लेक बन गया. लोग यहाँ पे बोटिंग करते हैं एंड इट्स वेरी पीसफुल, वेरी नाइस विंड. थोड़ा सा कोल्ड है तो इसलिए कैरी सम वार्म क्लॉथ्स हियर. तो नीचे जाके आप बोटिंग कर सकते हो.
उमियाम लेक के बाद मैं पहुंची उस चर्च में जिसे देखने का मुझे बहुत इंतज़ार था।
Guys, now I am in the Cathedral of Mary Help of Christians, which is a church situated in Shillong, and it is the biggest church I have seen so far. And inside camera is not allowed. I'm sorry, I cannot show you, but it's very pretty from inside, very peaceful, and people are praying, so therefore it's not good to disturb them. So give it a visit.
We were having a service like morning, afternoon and
Evening.
चर्च विजिट के बाद मैंने डिसाइड किया टू एक्सप्लोर मोर ऑफ शिलोंग बट नेक्स्ट डे।
Hi guys, good morning. This is day 2 and after doing breakfast I have like 2 kilometers walk from my hotel. Next place on my list is Wards Lake, which is in Shillong. There is entry ticket here. To enter you have to pay, if you are an adult you have to pay 10 rupees per person, and if you are taking camera you have to pay 20 rupees.
Wards Lake surprised me. Not just beautiful flowers, fresh air, but also such calmness and peace right in the middle of the city.
So guys, there is one Bamboo Hut restaurant as well in Wards Lake, so if you want to have lunch you can have it, and there is boating as well you can do, but if like let's say you have kids with you so they would enjoy, but I think I'll prefer to do boating in Dowki River. This is the beautiful Wards Lake. So guys, now I'm going back from Wards Lake to Police Bazaar, and it is very difficult because you can see it's so small.
पुलिस बाज़ार पहुंच के आई हायर्ड अ टैक्सी बिकॉज मेरी नेक्स्ट डेस्टिनेशन थोड़ी दूर थी, जिसके बारे में मैंने बहुत पढ़ा है, बहुत इमेजेस भी देखी हैं, लेकिन फिर भी वो बहुत अनएक्सप्लोर्ड है।
This is the road connected India to Tripura, Meghalaya to Tripura, Meghalaya to Mizoram.
एंड रास्ते में ही मेरी मुलाकात हुई वहाँ की मीठी मीठी बारिश की बूंदों से, which made me recall that indeed Meghalaya is a board of clouds.
Hi guys, so I have finally reached Narthiang Monolith, and from Shillong actually I hired a taxi, and it took like 2 or 2.5 hours from there. It's around 60 kilometers and very hilly area. In between I enjoyed rain as well, and it is the largest collection of monoliths which are naturally formed and naturally arranged in this pattern. This is one of the very peaceful place. I read some reviews and it was written it has some magical powers. This place doesn't give feeling like that of Earth. It feels like entirely I'm on a different planet. Maybe Mars. As this place is very distant from Shillong, what I observed is there is literally no one here, not even a single person except me. And it looks like this is a scene from the set of Game of Thrones. Guys, these monoliths are made up of limestone, that is calcium carbonate, and there is no entry fee to this place, and if you are in Shillong this is a must that you should visit this place. Very beautiful, and if you will visit then only you can feel the vibe. guys, if you can see behind me, the views are amazing. So I'll introduce with whom I came. What's your name?
My name is Lok.
Contact him whenever you are coming to Shillong. He tells very honestly how much to charge, how many days to go and where. And in Shillong, he is the best person to go with.
नार्थियांग मोनोलिथ से वापस लौटते हुए मेरी ड्राइवर एंड फ्रेंड लुम के कहने पे हमने चाय और छोटे से डिनर के लिए रुकने का फैसला किया.
My driver told me actually that we should stop somewhere because he wanted to have tea. So I thought, why not? I should also try some tea and some khasi food.
You can have it like that.
Okay.
That is very nice.
Guys, I had coffee and some khasi food, which is very local food, and it was very yummy. You should try. As it is very healthy and very reasonable and very good people to serve you.
अगले दिन शिलोंग से चिरुपुंजी के लिए निकलते हुए हमने डिसाइड किया वो 2 प्लेसेस देखने का जो मैं कल रात होने की वजह से नहीं एक्सप्लोर कर पाई थी.
Love football.
Yeah. Yes.
In World Cup time na. Every house watching football till morning time. Whole night.
People, I think, love football
Yes,
there a lot.
we are 80% people love football.
The next thing that I'm going to explore is Shillong Viewpoint, and you can reach here just by taking taxi from Shillong. Suggestion that I would like to give you for coming here is that do not follow Google Maps while for reaching here, because we tried yesterday and the gate does not allow entry anymore to view this point. So therefore hire a taxi and come from there. There is another route and you have to cross basically Air Force area for moving here. So therefore you have to carry one ID proof with you, and the entry fee per person is 30 rupees. And one more thing, drone footage you cannot take here, and Indians are only allowed to view this point. Stop near Shillong is Elephant Falls, which is actually 3-step falls because it falls into 3 steps. And Elephant Falls name was given by Britishers because previously there used to be a rock resembling elephant by the side of the waterfall, which is now destroyed and no more there. First Falls. Which is very beautiful, all surrounded by nature and so green and peaceful here. Finally, third fall, guys.
वाटरफॉल के पास बैठकर हवा और गिरते हुए पानी की आवाज़ सुनते हुए मैं सोच रही थी आने वाले चिरापुंजी के वाटरफॉल्स कितने अमेजिंग एंड सरप्राइजिंग होंगे. सो दोस्तों, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में जहाँ पे मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी बेस्ट प्लेसेस टू एक्सप्लोर इन चिरापुंजी. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Please share and help me grow this small channel and help me explore more places and show the beauty of India all over the world. God bless you. Thank you for watching.